Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome you all to AppSec's online sport program for class 8 mathematics week 14. For this you are required to have new syllabus mathematics 7th edition. We will cover pages 257 till 275. Chapter is chapter 10. Topic is Pythagoras Theorem. Sources required are textbook, internet, tab, mobile. And summary of the lesson is, today we will revise Pythagoras theorem, method for finding unknown sides of a triangle by using Pythagoras theorem, and in the last we will use the method to apply Pythagoras theorem in real world contexts. So, what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse side is equal to sum of squares of other two sides of the triangle. Here the hypotenuse is the longest side as it is opposite to the angle 90. You can see in this right angle triangle we have 90 degrees angle here. The side opposite to this angle is hypotenuse. This is perpendicular and this is base, and this is mathematical representation of Pythagoras theorem, which is hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Now you can see we have few triangles here. First of all, identify right angle in each of the figure. Now side opposite to right angle, hypotenuse. It means we can apply Pythagoras theorem in these three triangles. So applying Pythagoras theorem using the length of the sides, where c square is equals to a square plus b square. In first example, c is 30, a is 5 and b is 12. Now we are going to solve few examples in which we will find the unknown sides of a triangle. You can see in first example hypotenuse is unknown, in the second example base is unknown, in the third example perpendicular is unknown. So applying in first example, as it is a right angle triangle, we will apply Pythagoras theorem, put the values and find the value of unknown. But in the second example, we are applying Pythagoras theorem, but what is unknown? Base is unknown, so arrange your formula according to the unknown value, then put the values and find the value of unknown. Similarly, in third example, apply Pythagoras theorem, arrange your formula according to unknown value. What is unknown in this question? Perpendicular is unknown. Arrange the formula, put the values and find the value of unknown. So, first of all, identification of right angle and then identification of hypotenuse, perpendicular and base is compulsory in solving problems involving Pythagoras theorem. Now I'm going to explain worked example 3. Now you can see in this triangle, in this figure, there are involving more than one triangle. And what we have to find? First we have to find AC, then we have to find AB. First of all, for part 1, that is to find AC, we will use triangle APC. So this is the triangle APC. This is a right angle triangle This is hypotenuse because it is opposite to the right angle. This is base and this is perpendicular. By using Pythagoras theorem, this is the statement of Pythagoras theorem, using the given values and find the value of AC. So the value of AC is 20 centimeters. Now in the second part, as we are going to find AB, now we will use this triangle ABC. We will separately consider it here. This is ABC and BC is 36. How 36? By adding these two lengths, and this is 20. We just found out the value of 20 in the previous part. So complete this triangle by putting the values of their sides. Now what is unknown? AB is unknown. Using Pythagoras theorem, using given values, and find the value of AB. So if we have a question involving more than one triangle, we can solve them separately and can find the value of unknown sides of a triangle. Now, the application of Pythagoras theorem in real world context. The question is, the height of the tree is 5 meters. So this is the tree. And what is the height? 5 meters. The distance between the top of it and the tip of its shadow is 13 meters. This would be the shadow of the tree and this is the top. When we join top with the shadow, and the given is that the distance is 13 meters. Find the length of the shadow. We have to find this length of the shadow. So you can see that we have a right angle triangle here like this. Now use Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? C square is equals to A square plus B square. Put the values and find the value of unknown, that is 12. So the length of the shadow is 12 meter. Now these are the key points for solving word problems using Pythagoras theorem. First is, read the question carefully, draw a figure step by step, form a right angle triangle, identify right angle, hypotenuse, base and perpendicular, use Pythagoras theorem and find the unknown in the given formula. Now you can see these are the examples, and you can see here are also a right angle triangle. This is also making a right angle triangle. By following these key points, you will be able to solve word problems properly and correctly. Now for recap, we have multiple choice questions here. So do these multiple choice questions and check yourself for these recap questions. Now in the last, after revising all concepts, method for solving problems and method for applying Pythagoras theorem in real world context, now you people will be able to do your assignment week 12. So follow all instructions and all concepts properly and complete your assignment on time. Thank you.